Hi, I'm James, a product designer at ClearLeft. I recently started designing and prototyping in Figma, and I want to quickly show you three useful features I've discovered. Those are Smart Selection, Color Styles, and Prototype Master Connections. First up is Smart Selection. When you select elements which are evenly spaced, Figma recognizes that these are related and allows you to adjust the spacing for all of them at once. You can also swap the position of these elements without disturbing the spacing. Second is Color Styles. In Figma, you can save any color as a style and apply it to fills, strokes, and text to ensure consistency throughout your designs. Any updates you make to your color styles will be immediately reflected in your file or project anywhere you've applied that style. The real-time updating means that you can tweak colors and test color combinations really fast with your actual components. It can be really helpful with certain tasks like adjusting brand colors to meet accessibility requirements or designing themable templates. Third is Prototype Master Connections. If you have a component which appears on multiple pages, like a website header or footer, connections added to the master instance of that component will work in all of its instances. In this example, the navigation links in the left-hand frame are inside the master component, and the other three frames include instances of that component. I only need to add the connections to the master, and when I switch over to prototype view, all the pages are linked together. I think at the moment this only works if the master component is on the same page as its instances, but it's still really useful and it can save a lot of time. Those are just a few of the nice touches Figma has introduced that I was happy to discover. I'm really enjoying using the app, and I'm learning something new about it every day. It's definitely my first choice design tool at the moment.